When you buy a seed suppressor, one of the top things you're going to get is a self-cleaning can with low back pressure, very low POI shift, monolithic structure. There are no visible welds or seams on this can. This is all one piece, yet it is not printed. And the reason we do that is because we can use a variety of materials and get the benefit of each of those materials, whereas printing, you have choice of one material. We have 3 or 4 different materials in our cans, and they're all fused into one single monolithic structure without using conventional welding techniques. We use a proprietary bonding process that makes this extremely strong. It can handle thermal cycling. You can get it red hot. It can be cooled rapidly, and POI shift will be very low. That's all from ground up design here at Seed Suppressors. This is what we do.